I just hurried to somewhere and went down. Oh, must have been that Chips was for supper last night. Just, That's what's here today that happened. If you guys didn't know, next week, Cal's will be performing live on Late Show Ferguson. And then the day after, next Monday, Nickelback's new album, No Fix Stress, drops. The week after, Music Awards. And the following after that, it is this year's Grey Cup. So which to see about team get into the playoffs and head to whoever wins the Grey Cup. Halftime show, Magic Dragons. But there might be a review coming later today. Depends what later today might happen. So yeah.